If you're running a Shopify Plus brand, you're at the scale where you need a mobile app. Your customers expect it, and it's a clear opportunity to add to your bottom line. But it's not that you don't think a mobile app would be valuable. It's when you actually start looking at your options, none of them feel quite right. You're right to feel this way, because launching a mobile app that lives up to your custom Shopify Plus store is harder than it looks. Let's break it down. On one end, you've got app builders that work fine for simple stores, but your store isn't simple. You're running a custom theme, bespoke UX, customized PDPs, and every pixel and interaction fine-tuned, tested, and optimized. Those tools just can't replicate what you've already built. The experience gets watered down, you're missing features, and suddenly your app is a weaker version of your site. And if that's the case, it's doomed to fail from the start. On the other end, you've got fully custom app development. This means hiring developers or an agency for a custom build from the ground up. We're talking a 6-figure to 7-figure investment and maybe a year to go live. And then comes the part that no one talks about. Now you're maintaining 2 products. Every site change needs to be re-implemented in the app, and every update creates more overhead. Your choices are slowing down your workflow, doubling your dev team, or giving up and abandoning your app. We've seen this happen too many times. It's normal to feel stuck. You know you should have an app, but every option feels like the wrong trade-off. But MobiLoud is different. It's in the Goldilocks zone between too simple and way too much. Instead of rebuilding your store using simplified templates or a new codebase, MobiLoud converts your actual Shopify Plus site into a real native iOS and Android app. Same UX, features, and all the optimizations and enhancements from your website carried over into the app. And because the app is powered directly by your site, it runs on autopilot. Change something once on your website, and it's instantly reflected in the app. No duplicate workflows, no second codebase, and no maintenance burden. You get the upside of a custom app without the cost, risk, or operational drag. That's why MobiLoud is the best way to build a mobile app for Shopify Plus stores. It's not a shortcut, and it's not overkill. It's the most efficient way to turn a complex, high-performing store into a mobile app that actually delivers ROI. If you want to see what that looks like for your brand, you can get a free preview of your Shopify Plus app at MobiLoud.com. We'll show you what your app can look like and lay out exactly how you can go live with the perfect mobile app in just 30 days.